Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So right now we're going to, take a look at Shenseea featuring DJ Mac V.I.P. So Shenseea just dropped the official video for V.I.P. She have been previewing this video for a while now, right? There's something strange happening right now. Shenseea dropped a music video, V.I.P, 1 day ago, and it only have 86,000 views. Something is wrong. Maybe some YouTuber freeze views or something is happening, right? But nonetheless, we are gonna check out the video right now.
Listen, let me tell you something about me. You know, sell nothing but me not gonna run it free. I'm a girl's girl, I know for what fun of me. So anyway, me and my friend them rolling like the army.
Love the music video already. Clean, you know. I'm sure it's gonna get better as it goes, right? But the melody where Shenseea used, let me tell you something about me. I don't wanna. It sound like one of them R&B, like she was inspired by one of them R&B song from back in the days. Maybe somebody can comment and let me know which song it was, because I know I'm not. Me know me an idiot, right? Check it out some more.
And I come fit on up the party. When me get high, you know me get honey. Man, I lock up in no house, me no granny. When me a pass, me a tweet OD. I go 5 plus 360. Uncle count it stock.
So me tell you something, like the music video already. You see Shenseea and her girls them out. Shenseea said she's a girl's girl. You know what I mean? So she's all about supporting the female empowerment, and you know what I mean, all of these things. You know, I'm here for it, you know. Girl them have to out and enjoy themselves. And it look like them in the party bus. You know what I mean? Shenseea and her girl them out and enjoy themselves. And when she go out, what she do? She OD. So she always overdo it. Everything over the top. You see me?
Nobody can tell me about me. I'm very important pussy. You can't fly me out, my youth, don't look me. I have to spend the money if you want my cookie. And a broke man can't get my goodies.
Shenseea say, you have to make sure you say, yeah, I spend the money if you want our cookie, right? Maybe she say, yo, our thing is very, you know, VIP, very important, you know. So you have to make sure you say she have money and independent and everything, but you have to be richer than her and probably of higher status. You know what I mean? She probably not gonna touch no broke man, no broke pocket.
Take it in a US and take it in a pound. So what if my love money it make the world around? Anything you see me with, but own it on alone. I'm V.I.P. We don't flop. And I take no break when we ride that. Know you got a good view, cause behind fat.
How Shenseea get this a girl in a music video? Where Shenseea get that the girl in a music video? Shenseea and her girls out and she in at the club, and she say, yo, she have VIP when she there in at the club right now, and she say, yo, she not take no break when she ride it. So she say she's a jockey, you know what I mean? And she not take no break because she love it and she know Jesus God almighty. Me can't focus. Me can't focus. Can't focus at all. You know Shenseea already clean and hot, and she a sing about all of them things and have so much hot girl in her video. Eh? Jano.
You want the contract? Oh yeah. Why not go long, girl? Bring it back around. It no matter if you pick her up a couple pounds. Me sing wet and you go up. Feel like some more than take a back shot now. I'm a full.
Jano, that song ain't normal. That song ain't normal. Me not supposed to get turn on or anything like that. Panic pan camera to a Shenseea song like this, man. What really I go on to Shenseea? So should I take her back as no? And when the youth them listen to a song like this, and almost everybody have a crush on Shenseea, right? And when you listen to a song like this, and you think about what Shenseea has said, and you visualize everything in your head, and you watch a music video like this, Jesus, please, stop it.
All the links anywhere I go. Whoever you be, you get dropped right now. Very important pussy. You can't fly me out, my youth, don't love me. No take it in a US and take it in a pound. So what if we love money and make the world go round?
No broke man can't get her no Kimasa. She take it in a US and she take it in a pound. So she take it in a the highest currency. You know what I mean? Pound being one of the highest currency. Yes, she gotta take it in a that. You know what I mean? And she take it in a US one of the highest currency. You know what I mean? I know. I love the music video. You know what I mean? I love the song. Calm song, one of them song there. And big up DJ Mac because the DJ Mac have been a prolific producer since TJ Drift and all of them big bad rhythm that were DJ Mac you know what I mean, been running the place with the Raja While and all of them other young artists that were, you know what I mean, I get big song, Valiant and all of them artists there from DJ Mac. You see me, so big up DJ Mac. Very talented youth.
Anything you see me with, but own it on alone. V.I.P when I step in at the party. So when you see me in the party, I'm V.I.P.
Again, as me say, I like the song, like the music video. Song bad, music video bad. Girl them clean, and Shenseea, you might find it. Make we see how the people them react to this one. As me say, I saw the views on YouTube 89,000 views in one day. That no look good. Maybe a lot of the people them maybe YouTube just now recommend it or send out the video to the people them, and a lot of people not get wind off the song as yet, you see me. But as time goes, you know, people will start to search for the song, and as the song start gaining momentum, you know what I mean, with the fans and everything like that, maybe the fans them are gonna take on to it. But the song sound good, you know what I mean. This one is definitely for the ladies. Not necessarily for the man them. The man them are gonna just listen to it and just know, so yo, Shenseea that, and you know what I mean, Shenseea always deliver great music. And tell you when them listen to it, them gonna say, yo, John, know when Shenseea do to me. But the ladies them go out and, you know what I mean, enjoy themselves, cause a Shenseea I run a thing now. I feel like saying, you know, Shenseea should do what we say Popcorn, Vybz Kartel, Alkaline been doing, which is creating their own shows. Unruly Fest, New Rules, Freedom Street. We need Shenseea to do our own show. I don't know what names or whatever Shenseea would give it, but Shenseea need to do our own show, and I would love to see it, and I would support it 100%. Now is the time to do it. She's big of she's a caliber of an artist, right? So she definitely can do it, and I would love to see it. Then you must asleep. You must fall asleep and asleep after all of that there. You know, partying and all of that took place. You know, must tired and asleep. Yeah, man. Again, big up DJ Mac, big up Shenseea. One of them there, I'm going to interview Shenseea. You see me? She's my target interview. He to be interviewed. You see me? Yeah. Man, I go to see him. Go to see him high school, Mouta High School. You see me? And feel like me doing what me I do right now, Shenseea, you know, do what she do. We in the same, you know, industry and everything. So the time gonna come, and I just continuous work. I gotta do it. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it. Owen Allen Media. We keep you informed. I'm out.